Hello everyone, this is Dr. Austen Scheumann with Horizon Spinal Care right here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Today I would like to talk about the NUCCA procedure and what makes it so unique. So, in comparison, traditional chiropractors will analyze the spine to try to find a fixation or decrease motion in the joint. This fixation causes irritation on the nerve coming out of that segment, limiting function and could cause pain. They'll address the area locally and perform an adjustment. So they could adjust your neck, mid-back, low back, even your hips. Now this style of chiropractic does work. It just takes longer for your body to heal and remain stable. We've all heard those stories. Whenever you start seeing a chiropractor, you have to initially come 2 to 3 times a week. You can rest assured that you won't find that here at Horizon Spinal Care. Our goal is to correct the issue in the least amount of visits possible and then monitor it over a reasonable amount of time. Now, how do we do that? Within the office, we utilize the NUCCA procedure, which has been developed and refined for more than 60 years, based upon biomechanics and mathematical measurements on pre and post x-rays. We focus on restoring balance and structure of the entire spine through the correction of the atlas, the top bone of your neck. Now, the atlas has a unique job of balancing the skull on the rest of your spine, as well as providing the majority of the motion of your head and neck. Imagine, if you will, a cross, and we want a straight cross and not a kinked cross. So, the top portion represents where your head sits. If it's tilted one way, comparison to the next. The bottom portion represents where your low neck sits, if it's kinked to one side in comparison to the next. And the horizontal component represents where the atlas sits, whether or not it's wedged up, wedged down, rotated, and so on. So, if the atlas is wedged up, we will come from above and apply a pressure down to correct it. Now this will directly impact the position of the head as well as the remainder of your spine. And that is the key. Each correction is unique to every individual spinal misalignment, which we get through the x-rays. After the correction is made, we release the pressure on the brainstem as well as the irritation of the nerves through the entire spine. After the correction, we will take post measurements to ensure that the right correction was accomplished and the spine is in a stable position. We can also see this through the patient's posture, the position of the head, the shoulders, the hips, the leg length, and so on. There is no guesswork. A balanced spine has the opportunity to enter into a healing cycle, which alleviates pain and symptoms, because your body's position is corrected in reference to gravity, which is the force acting on us 24/7. Recovery continues as long as the correction remains stable and optimal spinal balance is maintained. Now, I know that was a lot, but if you would like to know more, feel free to visit us online at www.horizonspinalcare.com. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Give our office a call. We offer free consultations, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. You can find us at 615-203-5111. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.